Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to add or remove magnification on NOKIA 5.3. First, we need to open settings. They should be on your home screen, but if you can't find them, all you need to do is scroll up, then click on the search bar, write settings, then just scroll down to accessibility. There it is, magnification. Now just click on it, turn this on. Okay, and now watch, you just click on this button and you can magnify anywhere you want, or if you want it to be on your full screen, just click this button here and it changes. Let's say I want to look closer into this thing. There it is. That's it. It's really simple. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.